Did you know that you can now assign to a subset of your class directly within the Assessments platform? Carrie here from Assessments, and I'm so excited to share with you this new feature and can't wait to hear how you use it. To assign to a subset of a class, start by selecting your assignment and clicking the Assign button at the bottom right-hand corner to reach the Assign Time options. Once you have selected your LMS and chosen the class you would like to assign to, you'll see an Assignee dropdown appear. Click the Assignee dropdown and see the students for the roster of your class. Unclick the Select All Students checkbox to deselect all students in your class. You now can select the specific group of students you would like to receive the assignment. Then simply click Assign to in the bottom right corner as normal to deliver the assignment to the subgroup of students. If you teach multiple classes and would like to assign to a small group in each class, you are still able to do that in the platform. Just select the two classes you would like to assign to, and notice both class rosters appear, and you can now select specific students in each class that you would like the assignment to be assigned to. As a note, if you assign to a subset of your class and view the report will only show the students for which that assignment was assigned. And that's how you assign to a subset of your class within the Assessments platform.